Alright, so let's say you want to connect your GoPro Fusion to your Android device, and when you do so, it will probably give you an error saying that the Fusion cannot be connected to your phone. So then what do you do? How do you connect it to your Android device if you have one, and if you want to control your GoPro Fusion remotely? Well, there is a trick that I've found out, and I'll just show you how it works. So the first thing is to turn the GoPro Fusion on. After that, you go to your settings and you click on connect and you select GoPro app, and it will present you with a password that you will need in order to pair it with your mobile device. So here's my Android phone, and to connect I'll open the GoPro app first. I'll click on the menu and select camera, and I'll select Fusion, and this is the error that most of us would be getting, that it says that we can't connect your Fusion. So but in reality we can actually connect the Fusion to our phone, and we can control various other settings and also shoot remotely with it. So the first thing that you have to do is you will have to turn the Wi-Fi on, and you'll have to pair it up. So you type in the password that's shown on your Fusion, and you select connect. So as you can see, my phone is connected to the Fusion. And then you open your GoPro app, and instead of selecting Fusion, you can select Hero 6 Black or Hero 5 Black. In this case I'm going to select Hero 6 Black, and it might say that you need to turn your Bluetooth on as well, and hit continue, and it'll say is this the first time that you are pairing? Just say yes. And there you go. Our GoPro Fusion has been connected to an Android device. Now here's one problem that we might have, or we actually have, is we don't get the live preview from the GoPro, which I think is fine for now. But let me go ahead and show you what all can be done, at least with this trick itself. So basically, after pairing your device to the Fusion, you can control various settings of the camera, such as you can start recording. You can add a highlight as well. You can even stop recording. You can change various settings of the Fusion, such as the resolution. So basically you can do everything that you could do using the mobile phone, and not have to use a GoPro remote simply because you couldn't connect your phone to the Fusion. I can even adjust the LCD brightness. Now for the Fusion, you can just turn it on or off. So if you slide this all the way, you can see the LCD brightness has been reduced all the way. Similarly, if I turn it up, the display brightens up. I can turn the GPS on, so you can see it has turned on in the camera as well. I can even power my Fusion off from here. It says camera off, and I can even turn it on. As you can see, my Fusion has just turned on. You can change between modes as well. You can select video, time-lapse video, photo, or even night mode and burst mode as well. So if I hit, so that's it. All you have to do is select the Hero 6 or the Hero 5 model, and your Android device will actually connect to the GoPro Fusion. So that's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, do subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comment section as well. Thank you.